beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Britt. What's up? If you want this makeup look, continue watching. All right, beautiful people, so I have already done my eyebrows off camera and I've primed my lids. Y'all know I always use this white jumbo pencil from Wet n Wild in order to prime my lids to make it vibrant so that whatever color I place on my lid will pop. Today I'm feeling very bold and vibrant. I am going to be using this Meant to Be ColourPop palette. I really love this particular palette because the colors, the mints, is just so gorgeous and so in your face, and I'm about that life. So what I'm going to do is go in with a very tiny brush so that I can define the outline that I want for my crease. And I'm going to define that line by using Chill Factor. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to blend this shade up to my brow bone as well, because blending is life. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to go into a different palette. I'm going to use the Magic Mini by Juvia's, and I'm going to pick up this really deep yet subtle and loud blue, which I'm going to pop right into the outer corner of my eyes so that I can deepen up that outer V, and so that I can have like a midnight mint moment. Now I'm just going to go into Seltzer, and I'm going to use my finger to put this on my lid. And in order to blend the deep dark blue that I added to my eye and this shade, I am going to go in with Ice Cold, and I'm just going to marry those shades. On top of Seltzer, what I'm going to do is add a pop of shimmer, and in order to do that, I'm going to use my fingers again, and I'm going into Mojito Mommy. I'm going to go into that shade and use my fingers so that I can pack that glitter shimmery shade on my lid. Now let's go into the wing. First of all, I was about to take this black liner and line my eyes, and I was like, I'm not about that life. I am trying to do something a little bit different. What I'm going to do is get a small brush, and I'm just going to pack this gorgeous blue from the exact same palette I used to get that other deep dark blue by Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to put this on the outer V, like closest toward the outer corner of my eye. In order to get the ombre effect into a glitter shimmery shade that I want, I'm going to go over and use this really gorgeous shimmery blue and pack that on, and also blend it into that really dark deep blue that I just placed on the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm going to get this really gorgeous, it's almost like an iridescent bluish purple shade, and I'm going to make sure that is the color that I put on my wing at the end. So I'm going to pack that on, and for the rest I'm just using this gorgeous blue right here. Like, it's so pretty, y'all. So now I'm going to go into the base of my face, you know, foundation and all that good stuff. I'm going to use this foundation stick. I am blending. And now I'm going to go over that with this other matte, I think it's velvety matte foundation from Juvia's Place, and I'm going to put that on top of that. I don't need it, but I'm very extra today and this look requires that, so I added this to my face. The next thing I did, of course, is go in with the concealer from Juvia's Place. I really love this I Am Magic concealer. It conceals everything, and I really like that. Not everything, but it conceals well enough for me to appreciate it. I really like it. So right after that, of course, it's time to blend, blend, blend. Blend your life away. Blend, 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 blend. Once that's done, I'm going to set my face with the powder, and I'm using these two shades. I'm using a darker shade for the foundation portion of my face and the lighter shade for the concealer parts of my face. And I'm going to keep a little bit under my under eye so that I can do my lower lash. Let's get to this lower lash. So for my lower lash, I lined my eye with the same jumbo white pencil like I always do, so that the colors can pop underneath my eyes as well. So I'm going in with this shade right here, and I just want to use this as the underlayer part of my lower lash. And I'm going to also go into Ice Cold, and I'm going to marry the two colors, basically blending it so that it can look very ombre as well. I'm going to use this color right here so that my lower lash can actually pop, and it looks like my eyes are very open and wide and awake, and it looks very welcoming and happy. And this is going to do that. It's going to brighten up my under eye. Now what I'm going to do is go off camera and contour my face, put on blush, highlights, and I will be right back. What I'm going to do now is just put some mascara on before I pop on my lashes. Now I'm going to add back my beauty marks that were erased from the foundation and the concealer. I feel like without doing this, I don't feel like myself. So I have to actually put that back because that's naturally there and I'm so used to seeing it. So I added back to my face using an eyeliner. So this is the final look. Let me know down below what other looks you would like to see from me. What eye makeup looks would you want to see? See y'all next time, y'all. And as always, always be you, because there's only one you. You are awesome, you are amazing, you are one of a kind. I will see y'all next time. Deuces.